It is normal and very common for people to pray what we call the victim card. So today I want to discuss the victimitis virus from the word victim. So some people suffer from a virus called victimitis. This is from the word victim. So these people, they believe everyone has it for them. They feel that it is an entitlement. Just as the writer Mark Twain said, the world owes you nothing. He put it this way: don't go around saying the world owes you anything. The world owes you nothing. Your brothers owe you nothing. Your father owes you nothing. The world owes you nothing. The world was here before you came. Don't think that you are so and so is the cause of your problem. In Kenya, we have got a problem of people and even ethnic groups playing victim card. You are doing this because I have no education. You are treating me this, my dad, because I didn't pass my exam. You are doing this because I don't come from the tribe which the president or other people come from. You are doing this because of the teacher. The teacher is to be blamed for my life. The family I come from is to be blamed. My brother is loved by my father more than I am loved. My sister is loved more than I'm loved. So what am I saying? What am I saying? These people who play the victim card, they have got these characteristics. These people are easily offended. They get annoyed very fast. The tempers are usually very high. Why? They don't want to address the issue. They have got someone to blame. Then you find that these people are very keen on blaming others. When you are talking with them, they are telling you so and so has made my life difficult. So and so, I think I could have got that tender, but so and so I've done this. They get angry very easily, and they will regard even achievements as if it is not genuine achievements. They are also keen on criticizing and complaining. And you find these people, they also want their way. They don't want to read other people also have a way. So every person who plays victim card will manipulate you. And it's so please, I'm saying, even those in dating or courtship, be careful to notice a person, your friend, who is playing the victim card and who is also suffering from victimitis virus. Now you understand people who plays victim card and you know how to handle them. Be careful that they don't draw you to their victim card. The world owes you nothing. The government owes you nothing. If you finish university or college and you don't have a job, don't go around with a certificate saying the government has not employed you. The government owes you nothing. Your parents owe you nothing. After they give birth, they have taken care of you. You are finished school. Get on your own. Stop playing the victim card of even blaming the parents, blaming the government, and blaming everybody, blaming the church, even for your conduct and other things. Blame yourself. The problem is yourself. Don't play the victim card of members of the society, and even in your place of work, don't play the victim card. Otherwise, thank you very much. You understand now these people who suffers from victimitis virus, their characteristics, and you are able to identify them, run away. Thank you. It's Muteru Kwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach, and from the channel A Moment with Kwaru. Thank you very much. I also appreciate my subscribers to that YouTube channel. You are making it grow. I would encourage those who have not subscribed, if you want to hear more of this, please, The Moment with Lukwago is a channel you would like to be associated with. Have a great day.